So this is the fashion wax that I use for my edges, and that's the color of it. So this is the fashion wax that I use for my edges, and that's the color of it. Okay. So yes, guys, this is my outfit that I will be putting on today. So today I'm doing a get ready with me video. So if it's the first time that you're coming across my channel, welcome. And to all returning viewers and subscribers, welcome back to another amazing video. So let me put my tights on. So this is my outfit for the morning. So this is my outfit. Be myself, fragrance, body lotion, scent. So this is the lotion that I've been using. Let me see if you can see. Smell good. It's really creamy and rich and smell really good. It's been a while I do a get ready with me video. Guys, I start a small business where I'm selling cologne and lotion. All these things that you see me using, I'm selling them. And it's very affordable. You can check out my business page on Instagram, Juliana Beauty Boutique. The link will be down in the description so you can see the different fragrance that you would want to purchase. And you can also DM me. See? So this is a set. Smell really good. And this is a Jimmy Choo ice. Yeah, Jimmy Choo ice that I will be applying. And this is a cologne oil. So you know you don't really need much. Just a little touch and you're good to go. This is what I use. This is what I use for my edges. To make my edges. Yes, guys. I'm currently trying them. And this, my lotion, my body's fragrance. And if you need to purchase this, you can just message me. And I will definitely give you the info, the price and all of that. But these body fragrance smell really good. Let me show you about the edge control. When it comes to body fragrance, I don't just use one. This is my cucumber and melon. I still have a fair amount in it. So that's a must. And I also have body scrubs for your body. So this is a vanilla sugar base, and it also has honey inside of it. So things to let your skin pop in. Yes, guys. So I also have these products available. So DM me over on Instagram, Juliana Beauty Boutique, and I can definitely take it from there. So guys, I will definitely see you in the next video. So if it's the first time that you're coming across my channel, welcome and thank you so much for being here. And please remember to like, guys, like up the video, because the more you interact with the video, the better it is for me. So like, comment, subscribe, turn on the notification bell to be notified each and every time I upload a video. So this is my outfit looks. Let me turn it so you guys can see. This is my outfit for the day. Outfit. Yes, guys. Bye, y'all. Love you all. Ready to let go. You decide if you're ever gonna